customer expectations are always rising. Now, you can get ahead of them and stay there. Welcome to the digital supply chain. Improve your customer's experience. Execute faster. Perform recalls with surgical precision. Track and trace everything. Achieve real-time inventory accuracy. Reduce risk. Grow revenue. Increase throughput. Cut operating cost. Be agile, efficient, collaborative, global. Discover the Generix Group Supply Chain Hub and stay ahead of the constant changes that challenge your supply chain. Embrace the future. Enable change.